For experiment 3, I should have mentioned the timer program, which you see here. Forgive the glare on the screen, there's not much I can do about that. This program you simply download from the home page and run it. And when you do, it comes up with a message at the top and some other stuff here. You hit the T key every time you want to do a timing. We get two columns. One column for the time interval since the last keystroke, and a column here. It looks like I'm in the way. Don't have any place to stand here. But a column here for the running time since the start of the program. So every time I hit the T key, I get the time since the last keystroke and the running time since the start of the program. We can actually use this to file times and so forth. When you're ready to quit the timing, you hit the Q key. You can enter for some graphs and you get some graphs. You keep entering and you get an opportunity to quit the program. If you're in DOS mode, you can go back and run the program again, and it comes up like this. Now, let's look at experiment 4, which is very similar to experiment 3, except that we use only one ramp. In experiment 3, we were comparing the average velocity to the final velocity of a ball as it goes down the incline. In experiment 4, we just use one incline. We have a single incline here. The straight part of the incline goes from about 0 to maybe about 45, maybe 50 centimeters. If I release the ball from 10 centimeters, from 20, from 30, and so on, and I don't want a real big slope here. I want a slope such that my time comes out at least a second or more. So I release, hit the T key, and hit the T key as the ball strikes the end. Maybe we could use a little less slope here. Looks like we need a little more than that. The slope such that it takes about a second to go the 10 centimeters. Again with the T key. That took 0.99 seconds, so that was about the right slope. So we just move on up the ramp, measure the time, and from that we're going to infer the acceleration. And from that we're going to attempt to determine whether we think it's at least plausible that the acceleration in this ramp seems to be uniform.